Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to set your Venmo profile to public or private. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to go and be opening up the official Venmo application. So if you're on your PC, you're going to go to venmo.com. This is the main URL that you want to open up on your mobile phone. Just go ahead and download the Venmo app. After opening it up, after downloading it, now we can get started. So the first thing we need to do is log in. So if you do not already have a Venmo account, what you can do is register for one by clicking the Get Venmo option. It's going to enable you to register on your mobile phone. Just follow the instructions fit registering with your phone number, and now we can get started. So once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the home page right here. So after logging in, your home page is going to look like this. You're going to have all the sections that you can access, such as home, cards, your account settings, and so on. And now we can get started setting our profile. So what do we have to do? As you can see in this article right here on the official Venmo website, we can take a look at how we can get started setting our profile. So as you can see, what we have to do is click the me icon in the bottom right of the page. Your me icon is right here. As you can see in the bottom right corner, you have the me icon. Once you click it, you can go into the settings gear at the top right and then select privacy. So here is your settings gear at the top right, and after clicking this is going to enable you to select the privacy settings. So once you select your privacy settings, you can get started. After opening up your privacy settings, you can see three settings: public, friends, and private. You can choose whichever you prefer, whichever you want to set it to, and after that you can just go and click save. So once you save those settings, you can get started with applying them to your profile, and this is how your profile is going to be set. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.